Albert, a homeowner from North Carolina, asked, I have had a lot of shingles come off my new roof from overdriven nails. On the hip portion, some shingles came off, and I thought there was no paper on the hip. My contractor said paper does not go on the roof hips. Is this correct? John Stout from Go Roof Tune-Up said, the National Roofing Contractors Association recommends number 15 asphalt saturated non-perforated ASTM D226 or ASTM D4869 be installed under asphalt shingles. This would include the areas at the hips and ridges.